If I tell you I created this video within 10 minutes, will you believe? Yes, I created this video you're watching within 10 minutes and this video too within 10 minutes. Yes, this was possible because of the AI tool that I use to generate my images. It is fast and unlimited, and you can use to generate bulk images at a go. With just one prompt, you can be able to create a lot of images at a go. And so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to generate unlimited images with this AI and also how to generate bulk images with just one click. Let's get right into the video. So the first thing that we'll be doing is to install this AI. So come to your browser and type auto whisk in your search like this. Then you're going to choose the option that comes with Chrome Web Store. Touch on it like this. Then here you're going to see install auto whisk, but because I've already installed it, that's why I have removed from Chrome. So assuming I want to remove it from Chrome, then I'll click on remove from Chrome. But if it's your first time, you're going to see install it. The moment you click on the installation button, the extension will be added to your browser. Now when you open your browser, come to the top here and click on your extensions. You're going to find this auto whisk extension there. Click on the pin button to pin it to your browser so that you can easily identify it. Now the next thing you'll be needing is the AI tool that we'll be using in combination with the auto whisk, and that is Whisk AI. So we're going to click on Whisk AI in the search like this and click on the first button or the first option, this one. Now click on Browse Gallery and click on Enter Tool. Okay, this is where we are going to enter our prompt. Okay, but before then, we are going to click on the whisk icon at the top here. You click on it like this. If you install Whisk for the first time, you are going to see the text here in different language. Bring your cursor to the top here and click on English. Okay, so we're going to change the language to English. Just tap on it just like that. Now you can see the text has changed into English. Now the next thing we need is our story. Okay, so we are going to go to ChatGPT. Here, ask ChatGPT. Let me close this one first. Here, ask ChatGPT to give me story ideas, and you can see ChatGPT has given me story ideas. We are going to try one of these stories in auto whisk. Okay, now what we're going to do is to ask ChatGPT to write a script on one of these stories. So we're going to choose the option 1 and attach this prompt here like this. There's a prompt: generate 2-minute story on this title for me. Start with an action, not an introduction. So I'm going to put the title in quote like this. So I'm going to copy this one and then paste it here and then close it with a quote. Then hit on the command button. Let's see what ChatGPT will give us. All right, so now you can see ChatGPT has written the script for us. This is exactly what we want. We are not going to read through it. Now we are going to enter the next prompt into ChatGPT. So somewhere in this video, I'm going to tell you how you can have access to all these prompts for free. Okay, so this is the second prompt. Describe all the characters in the story. It should be an African 3D pizza style. So I'm going to hit on the command button for ChatGPT to give me a description of all the characters in the story. Since we have the description of all the characters in the story, the next thing you're going to do is to enter the third prompt. So this is a third prompt. Now give me detailed image prompt for every line in the story. For character consistency, add the character descriptions. Hit on the generate button and let's see what ChatGPT is going to give us. Okay, so you can see ChatGPT has given me all the prompts I need for this story. The next thing I'm going to do is to ask ChatGPT to remove the numbers and the subtitles. So remove all the numbers and the subtitles from the prompt. Perfect. This is exactly what we want. Now the next thing you're going to do is to generate all our images at a go. So look at what we are going to do here. What we are going to do here is to copy all the prompt. Just copy it like this. Right click on it and click on copy and go to Whisk AI. Then we are going to click on the auto whisk icon at the top here and then use the classic. We are going to use the classic to generate our images. Now here we are going to delete the previous prompt I have here and right click inside and click on paste. Then scroll down to click on the start button. Then click on run on this device. The moment you click on run on this device, it will start generating all your images for you and also save all the images on your device without you having to do anything yourself. So we're going to hit on the run button for you to see what I'm talking about. Now you can see as it's generating, the images are saving. It has created a folder on my device and all the images are going into that folder directly. That is how the Auto Whisk AI works. So you can see it's supposed to generate 20 images for us, and so far it has generated 7 images and it's still generating. Okay, so this is how you automatically generate all your images without having to go back and forth generating your images. As we are waiting for our images to be generated, the next thing you are going to do is to generate our voiceover for the story. So for the voiceover, you're going to go to our browser and type Google AI Studio. You're going to click on the first link and then click on the single speaker like this. Go to the voices and choose one of the voices that you like. Okay, then we are going to enter our script here. So let's go to ChatGPT and copy the script ChatGPT provided. So this is the script. We're going to copy the script like this and go to AI Studio. We're going to use the Google Gemini text to speech to generate our voiceover, and it's free as at the time of creating this video. Now we're going to go with this first option, then click on the run button to generate your voiceover. Okay, so as we wait for our images to be generated, we also expect our voiceover to be ready at the same time. So now our voiceover has been generated for us. The next thing you're going to do is to click on this 3 dots to download it to our device. So click on the download button like this to download the voiceover to your device. Now let's check on our images too and see. We have 19 so far. Let's wait for the last one to be generated for us. Wow, so we have all our 20 images generated in the space of 5 minutes. Okay, so since we now have our images and our voiceover ready, the next thing we are going to do is to put everything together using an editing app of our choice. So we are going to use CapCut. Open to CapCut, click on create project button, and then click on the import button to import all your images. I'm going to show you where all our images have been saved. So you can see it has created a folder on my device and all the images have been saved there. So when you open the folder, you will see all the images that it generated for us. So you don't have to worry about you generating the images one after the other and you downloading them one after the other. So these are the images. All you have to do is to select them, okay, and then click on the enter button and import it to CapCut. So now what you need to do next is to add the images to your timeline. Just click on the add button and add all your images to your timeline like that. Okay, so we're going to use the add button. Make sure your playhead is at the left side so that it can keep loading the images to the right. Okay, so we have this one, this. Just click on the add button and add all your images to your timeline. Okay, so now that we have all the images on the timeline, the next thing you're going to do is to import the voiceover. Click on the import button and look for the voiceover you generated with Google AI Studio. So this is it. Just tap on it and then tap on it and drag and drop it on your timeline. That's it. Then you play the video to see if it matches your voiceover. Now you can go ahead to add transitions, your video effects, filters, and any other thing that you want to add to your video to make it more attractive. When you're done, you click on the export button and export the video to your device. So this is how fast you can create videos for your faceless channels within 10 minutes. What do you think about this AI tool? Is it something that you are going to give it a try? Are you already using it? Let me know that in the comment section. Go ahead and share your experience with me in the comment section. Until then, let me know the next video that you want me to create on this channel. What the previous video that I uploaded, that video is popping up right now. Watch it and I'm going to see you in that video. See you. Bye.